question to watch out for. Ashmit, thank you for that. And staying with Vodafone Idea, Reema is now joining in to tell us what options does the government have with regards to giving any potential relief to Vodafone Idea. Reema.
Well, multiple options that we can think of right now. For starters, they could extend the timeline for Vodafone Idea to repay the AGR dues. As of now, it comes to an end in March of 2031. They say that you have an additional 20 years to repay those. Secondly, maybe they say that just repay the principal. Don't pay the interest or the penalty or the interest on penalty or pay part of that. And thirdly, the company has been, or the telcos have been arguing that there are mathematical, arithmetical errors. So maybe the government decides to rectify that. So we'll have to see what form and shape the relief and resolution takes place. But there are multiple options on the table. But this could be a game changer for Vodafone Idea because for starters, it will ease the cash flow burden. And two, it will help the company maybe go ahead and raise that much needed 25,000 crore of bank funding, which up until now banks were unwilling to lend to Vodafone Idea because of lack of clarity on what its prospects are going to be. But the stock also to watch will be Indus-Stars, because once Vodafone Idea is in a better shape financially, it can resume its capex, which is positive for Indus-Stars, and maybe it will help Indus-Stars once again resume the dividend payouts, which investors have been waiting for. Back to you.
Indeed, but Vodafone Idea stock has cooled off very sharply from the highs of the day. The intraday high was 10.57, and since then the stock is now only 1.5% higher. At one point was up even almost 10% was Vodafone Idea. So a sharp cool off from the highs of the day. But Reema